What's up guys, this is Kingston and today is 4/13/22 and check this out. This is the update on the Raising Cane's Chicken Fingers new location in our city, and it's almost done. The logo is up and you can see the drive-through lanes are like kind of set up, and I mean, it's near completion, and it's amazing, and I can't wait to try Raising Cane's Chicken Fingers for the very first time when this thing opens with the grand opening. So amazing. Alright, so that's the drive-through lanes. Amazing. And let me show you a better logo on the other side. Alright, see the logo? Amazing. Right there. Brand new. Just went up. I just passed by and saw this logo, so I decided to just update on this construction. Amazing.